Good evening students. This is logarithm expression log x square minus 4x plus 4 base 7 minus log x minus 2 base 7. Okay, so minus means divide, base same base, so log 7 x square minus 4x plus 4 by x minus 2. This factorize, we have to do factorize. Okay, so here x square minus 4x plus 4 we have done. X square minus 4x minus 2x minus 2x plus 4, x common x minus 2 minus 2 common x minus 2, x minus 2 x minus 2. Okay, so x minus 2 whole square by x minus 2 base 7, so x minus 2 cut, then we get x minus 2 base 7. Next, log 5x go to log x plus 4 plus log 3. Log 5x is equal to log, that is plus means multiplication x plus 4 into 3. Okay, so 5x log cut, then you get 5x equal to 3x plus 12. 5x minus 3x is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6. Okay.